All right, guys, we're down to the nitty gritty here. I got a few more things to cut. Having to break out this old dude. See what we can get done. So we're at a point where to really make it fit right on this one, we need to cut the floorboards off because you've got your transmission and everything over here. Obviously the gas would be way cooler, but my goodness, this thing fits so perfect on an X-Max. Actually fits good on the HPI. It's sitting right on the engine cage. But the bumper you could take it off if you wanted to. May tinker with this one a little more. It definitely fits better than the other. All things considered, I think it went pretty well. Had a few crashes, the body stayed on. Anna may have gotten a CTE, but you know, she's still hanging on. And so you can pull start it with the body on. You can get to the engine kill. Chokes over here, so everything's still accessible. Pop the seat if you need to get to the plug. I think it works pretty well on the Baja 5T from HPI. Next up, I'll probably put it on my X-Max. It jumps a little better. Also, I'll put a link in the description where I got this on Amazon. They range from like 79 to 89 bucks for the the ride-on toy, and then start cutting. Also, if you like some of these guys collect these, there's replica graphics on eBay, that actually look like a Banshee. I mean, all the way down to all the correct graphics, and they even have an engine decal that goes on the side there. So yeah, remote control Banshee.